Great.
Yes, it was. Boom, you're a mechanic, dude.
Yeah,
that's it.
there.
We are on our way. All right, so F24 and F25. That's what we should be looking at there. Which is this one and this one. So it's going to be, oh, and F26 is not there anymore. Let's see if that was one that was supposed to not be there. Fuel injection. Excuse me. Oh, hey.
Is that it?
That's a 7.5. You said you might have misplaced this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that's a 7.5 amp. And it looks like it goes to the fuel injector heater control module.
Oh, damn.
Underneath this 10 amp.
I've got some needle nose in the house.
Yeah, let's grab that. Yeah, I don't have
that.
Oh, yeah, thanks. He'll get you.